Okay, we're supposed to find f of x plus h minus f of x over h to see what that equals, and this is our goal. If f of x is 10 to the x, then f of x plus h is 10 to the x plus h. So we have 10 to the power x plus h minus 10 to the x. So the numerator of this fraction would be the purple minus the red. So it would be 10 to the x plus h minus 10 to the x. So that's the numerator. So we have the numerator here. This is 10 to a power minus 10 to a power. Go back over here. P to the 16 minus p to the 13. I can factor out a p to the 13. So p to the 13 times p to the third, give me this. And p to the 13th times 1 would give me the p to the 13th. I'm going to use that factoring technique here, and I'm going to pull out of 10 to the x. So 10 to the x times 10 to the h, we add the powers, like you would 13 and 3. That would be 10 to the x plus h. And then 10 to the x times 1 would give me 10 to the x. So this green and purple and red item goes in the numerator. The denominator is just h, and that's pretty much what you were supposed to prove, that the expression here is 10 to the x times this factored form over h.